Base station locked, start grid. Hold position, mark this corner. Start core at station A1.
Seal it, label depth 2.5. Edge is soft, stay back.
We'll shift anchors 2 meters east.
Spotter clear, swing slow.
Curtain tension looks good.
Truck in, keep to the cones.
Mark that, needs extra lift.
Forks low, approach slow.
Baseline set, station 0 here.
Corner B locked, set next buoy.
Good, prepare bedding sand. 2 points of contact, ladder secure.
Bracing tight, no movement. Flow steady, keep discharge filtered.
Angle good, set the second line.
Bring it down, hold plumb. Plumb within 1%, continue.
Clean the toe, inspect again.
Dive 2 minutes, confirm tip depth.
Pins in, up is in, drop it 5 millimeters.
Cap complete, move to next pile.
Connectors face lake. Keep alignment.
Hands clear, drop it slowly.
Torque logged, move down the row.
Guardrails every section, no gaps.
She's floating, hold at the buoy. Tension set, no slacking gusts.
Spin on 3, 1, 2, 3.
App uniform, lock the hinge nuts.
Something more for Rush Boogie.
Chain first, rope stays dry.
Getting 6.7 for personnel. Hold there, position is on target.
No chips. Tag lot number now. Set down, clamp at the mark.
Row 1 complete. Start next bay.
Leave slack, no tight bends. Clear under load, guide it in.
Glands seated, paint mark each lug.
Bonding continuous. Test next point.
Bonding okay.
Maintain spacing, no conduit twist.
Slow pull, watch the bend radius. Lift compacted, next layer in.
Hardware boat inbound, clear walkway.
Buddy system. No solo workout here.
IR passes, record and seal it.
All covers secured. Verify lockout. Torque to spec. Paint mark each lug. No sharp bends. Leave service loop. Anchor template aligned. Recheck diagonals.
Vibrate corners, avoid honeycomb. Cure now, keep traffic off. Continuity good, label and close.
Tension even, check corner drift.
Eyes on. Retrieve to port side.
Rescue points posted. Log the locations.
Down slow, align to the bolts.
Polarity confirmed, ready for DC on.
DC on. Monitor current rise.
No alarms.
Arc boundary set, proceed to close.
We're exporting, hold steady.
Power rising.
Hotspot gone. Log the retorque.
Tag it, fix after this row. Noted.
Safeguards seated, divers confirmed below.
Safety items pass. Close remaining tags.
Gasket seated, tighten cross pattern.
Walkway clear. No loose tails.
Housekeeping complete. Secure the bins.
Docks complete. Prepare handover.
Array stable, export nominal.
Access clear. Record the entry route.
Stop works. Reset and confirm clear.
Lanyards on, no loose tools over water.
Secure panel, filters cleaned, close up.
Signage complete. Log the IDs.
Quarter turn only, watch the corner.
Readings normal, no plume present.
Note that row, adjust at next service. Aligned, retorque, and paint mark.
Safety signed, site transitions to O&M.
Maintenance monthly, mooring quarterly.
Perimeter secure, prepare night markers.
Flash pattern correct, seal the cap.
Final pass complete. System looks clean.
Export steady, no alarms overnight.
Idea slant.
Accepted, handover complete.
All tag removed, close out.
No residue. Leave panels spotless.
Perimeter okay.
Buoys set, visibility good from afar. Shore link complete, array feeds here.
Debris cleared, mooring tension normal.
Walkway clear, system running smooth.
Final view, site fully operational. Subscribe, like, and share.